Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today we are working on these fabulous Dollar Tree pumpkins. You may have seen my new favorite things Dollar Tree Tuesday video where I showed you that the pumpkins are now in. And all I'm going to do is use 3 different type of paints. And this is an old paint. I don't even know if they still carry this, but it's called Avocado Dip. And my camera's, it's really dark in here. My apologies, but it's Avocado Dip. And this is what it looks like. And then I am going to be using the Tuscan Red and just a plain white. Now all you're really doing is just, putting your paint in one of these little Dollar Tree palettes, and you're just going to paint these over. It's very simple. And I already took the liberty, I had bought 6 of these, and I did 2 in the white and 2 in that avocado, like lime green color. Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today we are going to create something fabulous. So if you watch my new favorite things here on YouTube, Dollar Tree Tuesdays, I had showed y'all these beautiful new little flower pot decanters, and they had the owl on it. And I picked it up because this is the color of my shutters outside. I don't have to do any painting or anything, and it matches my front porch. But I'm not too much in love with the owl, so we're just going to rip him off. And I already did that with this one. And looks like they put a lot of generous glue on here. So let's get this ripped off so we can start with a blank canvas. And what I'm trying to achieve today is like that pillared look with the pumpkins. So in my previous segment, I had painted the pumpkins in like this avocado green. I did one in white, and we're just gonna get the green stems off. And I did one to match the planter. So what we're going to do is turn the pot over, and you're just gonna stack these, with your color pattern that you would like. So I may do like the white at the bottom, the green at the top, and then, have the burgundy for the top layer, like so. Alright, so now I'm just going to add the pumpkin pick that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add some glue on that to give it more height, like so. Alright, next I'm just going to take the garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to insert this little loop here. I'm just going to wrap it. I'm just going to try to stick it down in some of the crevices of the pumpkin so it's hidden. You may need to add a little bit more glue because it may move it. You just go around, you know, hear it, and you just start wrapping it. Now, if you want it to, you know, cascade down, you can do that as well. So I just stuck that right in there in the crevices. That worked out great. And then I have this piece here that I'm just going to put the glue over top of the leaf so it stays. Careful not to get burnt. And then I had another little leaf. Add some glue. Okay, and then you had these little stems. You can add these. Slide that down in there. 2 of them. Now after everything is glued down, just go through and get all those spaghetti strings off. This kind of gives it a little texture. Looks like it's kind of like mist on there, so I'm gonna leave that part. But you know, go through and take your time and clean that part off. And this is what it is looking like. And you can add, you know, more pics, anything of your liking. I just tried to keep it to a bare minimum. And I spent $7. Plus I had paint already, so the paint was not included. So this was $7, and I've been, you know, looking at these and pricing them, and child, they going for like $16 for one of these little ones. Make it yourself, do it yourself, easy DIY crafts. From, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you in another fabulous DIY. I will put the picture of the other two, and then also will show you how I am going to be staging this. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.